He shoots, he scores. Soars, that is. Look at the soars on this wall of insulation. And back in behind here, wouldn't you know it, the culprit, the ball from playing tennis, from playing, well, maybe indoor baseball or hockey, and shooting at the wall, putting fractures in that vapor barrier. This is what you need, an approved vapor barrier polyethylene. Now, always ask for the approved product because there's lots of them out there. This is a 6 mil. It's already been treated for ultraviolet inhibitors. Also, when I do staple it up to patch the wall, I'm going to tape all my seams with a it's a moisture barrier or a weatherproof tape to make sure it is moisture sealed. Okay, I'm just trimming along the top of the wall because it's not necessary to put the polyethylene down over the concrete at this time, only if you're planning on doing development in the basement, and that's a whole new process. This is just replacing what was already there and damaged. There we have it, the staple along the stud there now with those galvanized staples. The staples actually seal themselves with the polyethylene, therefore there's no moisture whatsoever going to get back into the sheeting area, condense and cause a rotting problem. So sealing it all, making it airtight as well as moisture barrier tight, and giving you a good insulation, energy efficient wall. Oh, and incidentally, if the children are going to play downstairs, play hockey or tennis, put up some plywood back sheets. That way they won't damage the wall whatsoever.